Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will make these beautiful gold earrings with lace. They look so expensive. Friends, I really try to make every video, but I still have a few views. Please share this video with your friends. Your support is really important for me. Give me big thumbs up and subscribe on my channel. And let's start! Cut out the foam from paper. Roll out polymer clay. Cut out these spots. I have such texture. Actually, this is a lid from candle, so you can take any texture which you will find. Bake in oven. Fixing with super glue. Polishing the surface. Cover with special glossy varnish, but you can not do it. Cover with acrylic paint. I covered the surface with usual glue for paper and glue lace to the surface. Cover with nail varnish and put these gold sparkles. This is sparkles for nail design. And that's all. Big thanks for watching. Also thanks for all your comments. I'm happy to read them. So, see you soon. Bye!